Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network related issues. Slow internet, no signal, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to system, tap here. Go down, go to reset options. Then tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap on reset settings. Again tap on this reset settings button. Done. See the message, network settings have been reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings. After this reset operation, you can go back and check internet. You can check the network, that should work. So this way we can reset mobile network settings and fix all network related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.